So our Power BI data source is embedded here in Power BI Report Builder. So as a data source, so do we need a gateway? It was the workspace, and Sun Video was the dataset. So now we can build off that. So right click on datasets and add dataset. Now we're going to name this one AW and embed it, correct. Click here in the data source and we pick the workspace dataset that we linked into already. So that's the Sun Video dataset. Then we go down to the end here and we pick Query Designer. Now we're going to make a list of products. So we go over here to the product table and product number, we want that. Add the query. Product name, right click, add the query. Standard cost, add the query. And this list price, add the query. Now we click here to execute the query. And I just want to make that window a bit smaller and press OK. So the query designer has generated some code for us here, and I just want to make a small change to it. So click FX here, and I'm going to put in order by, and I'm going to sort it by product number. So I just copy that here for product number. Press OK. So we have it there now. Press OK.